Hello, I'm Stephen Ho, trader and founder of The Stock Punter. Now, there is a reverse correlation relationship to volatility indexes such as the VIX and the underlying stock markets they are based on, for example, the S&P 500. And we can trade this relationship to our advantage in any time frame. Now, trading the volatility index like the VIX is very dangerous and risky, but we can trade that underlying stock market and we can create, using technical analysis, a very powerful trading strategy. So let's take a further look. So here we have the VIX Volatility Index at the top, and along the bottom we have a related stock index, the S&P 500, and just note the correlation between the move in those prices. Now the VIX, as it goes down, we see the S&P come up, and this is the correlation effect that I'm talking about. It's reverse. Now the last chart was on a daily setup. This is on a 5-minute setup on the India Nifty 50 stock market. At the top, the IndiaVIX, the equivalent of the S&P 500 VIX, and at the bottom, the Nifty 50. And again, exactly the same correlation effect. As the volatility goes up, price comes down, and vice versa. And as you may have gathered, it's not just restricted to markets like the S&P 500 or the India Nifty 50. It's global. You know, Hang Seng, Swiss, other US, European DAX. It covers it well. So you've got a big opportunity to deploy this strategy across the world's stock markets. I suppose one of the real big takeaways from this analysis is that volatility is a really great sentiment tool that is often overlooked, that you can add into your trading, that can further enhance your strategies and put the odds more on your side. Now, to get it right, it's a lot more complex than just applying the reverse relationship. You need to create an effective strategy, and you're going to have to decide on time frames, the stock markets you're going to trade. You're going to have to know exactly how the relationship works between volatility and the stock markets. You've got to apply the right technical analysis, and on top of that, to really make it succeed, you're going to have to know the risk and trade management rules around it to make it work. And you're not just limited to indexes on the stock market, you can also do commodities and FX. Now, because it's not as straightforward as it first appears, I've put all of this into an e-learning video course. It's now available to you, and further information on how to join is in the description below. But the course, if you want to take it, it's for all abilities from beginners through to advanced, but as in anything, it's always good if you have some beginner's knowledge in trading and technical analysis. So who's the course for? Well, it's for anyone, you know, really trying to get an edge over the markets, anyone interested in learning something new, technical analysis and trading, those that want to trade stock indexes, FX, and those who trade, you know, futures, options, spread betting. It all works, and the course format is done in a modular, easily digestible stages and subsections, and it's a combination of screencast and slide presentation, and we've got some working exercises for you in there as well. And the goals, well, you're going to learn completely how to understand volatility indexes and how valuable they are to your trading. You're going to learn how to utilize these, create your own strategies, and gain a complete working understanding of this topic. And because of those strategies you're going to create, you're going to be able to go away, build your own trading plan, and from that, hopefully, you become a more robust, disciplined, consistent trader. Like I mentioned earlier, if you want to find out more about VIX or the course, it's all in the description below. And if you've liked today's video, please give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to hit the subscribe and like bells to receive further notifications of any other content I'm going to produce in the near future. And all that is left for me to say is thanks for watching, good luck with the trading, and I'll see you in the next video.